Now, we all know why we're here. We've got a store to take. The plan is simple, elegant. Listen to Lester, pay attention to the information he gives you, and we'll all make a buck. If things go bad, you know the drill. This wasn't organized, we don't know each other. We got caught up in a robbery and acted in self-defense. But it's not gonna be an issue, because everything's gonna go just fine.
The alarm system is easy. Now, if I didn't need to be running things, I could have it offline myself. No problem, but you should be able to get us a pretty decent window. How decent depends on the job you do. Now, once it's down, you signal Michael, he makes the call.
Things look good. We should be able to drop a present right through the air vent on the roof. Everybody goes to sleep, no problem. We take our time. If we run into trouble, we move quickly and with force. Any questions? No? Let's go. Frank, you're with me. Paige, you're in the truck with the bikes. Gus, Eddie, you're in the van, all right? See you on Little Portola, people. Initials only from here on out.
I'll drive the van. It's what I'm paid to do.
Waiting on you, kid. All right, you got it down?
I got it.
Because you use too much gas on these guys, you'll kill them.
Well, shit, don't blame me the way these canisters is mixed.
Just be careful.
Yeah, okay.
Listen, I stuck my neck out for you here.
Man, you don't need to tell me that shit again.
I got faith in you, F, but you're unproven.
Unproven? For real? So I didn't prove myself when I jumped off the back of that yacht on the highway, huh?
Yeah, but these guys don't know you. They see some gangbanger with a happy trigger finger. They got money and their freedom on the line.
I ain't gonna fuck this up, man.
Good. I got enough shit to worry about.
What you got to worry about?
I don't know. I ain't done any real work in years, you know, so I'm giving half the take to guys who are supposed to be the best in the business.
All right, then it's all taken care of. You on top of shit?
Yeah, do I need to give 12% to a gunman? 14% to a driver? 15% to a hacker? And that's on top of all the other outlays. I feel like a chump buying myself a score.
Shit. I guess we'll find out if they worth it, right?
All right, this is it up there. There's a way through the site up to the roof.
Man, we went over this. I'm cool.
Hey, I'm digging your car. Sweetie! Hello there.
Man, look the fuck out!
All right, when the gas is in the ventilation system, give us the word.
For sure, man. I got it. Excuse me! Exterminator! Hey, there ain't no one around.
That suits us. Come on, get up to the roof.
Get your ass out of here. Almost there.
We're in position, waiting on your signal.
Just gotta get where I can throw this.
We're waiting on you.
Hold on. I got an angle. Damn, missed. Get him. That was it. They going out.
Do you love her?
Well, I love her a lot. I wasn't thinking it was...
Think about it like this. I mean, I always say that... I told him to fix that goddamn AC!
What's going on? Let's go.
Let's do this! Come on! Give me the loot, bro.
I've been able to get you around a minute and a half before the alarm will reset itself.
90 seconds? All right, that's why we pay you what we do. Hey, we got more than enough time to clean these people out. Let's do it.
120 remaining.
Let's go, let's go. We're almost out of here. How you doing over there? Quick hands, man, that's why you get your cut. How we doing, how we doing? Grabbing what I can, Holmes.
A minute left.
This better not be paste. They got nice stones in this joint. Let's go, let's go! I'm on it, Holmes.
50 seconds.
Keep it up. Go, 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 go! I got this cabin here.
I've been able to get you around a minute and a half before the alarm will reset itself.
90 seconds? All right, that's why we pay you what we do. With a window like this, we should be able to strip the joint. Come on.
120 remaining.
Here we go. Grab it and move. Let's go. Okay, come on. Nice work, man. There's a reason you're paid what you're paid. Let's go. Let's go. How you doing over there?
A minute left.
How we doing? How we doing? Grabbing what I can, Holmes.
50 seconds.
Keep it up! This better not be paste. All right, that's our target. Keep it up. See how much we can get. Come on, let's clear this place out. They got nice stones in this joint.
40 seconds.
We're on the clock. I'm on it, Holmes.
Half a minute left.
Keep moving. Here we go. Not a lot of time left. Come on. All right, we cleaned them out. Let's get out of here.
20 seconds.
So for the last time, move it.
Hey, get the fuck out of my face.
Oh.
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal.
It's go time.
Stay close, stay safe, let's go.
Hey, keep moving.
No. Peon.
Oh! Oh, you are a minute. You crackhead!
No, loser.
Be stuck under a cop car.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that way. We did not just get away with that shit, did we?
You know what? I think we did.
Ah, man.
Ha! Ah! Woo! Ha ha!
All in a day's work, homies.
Oh, one step closer to retirement.
I won't say it went off without a hitch, but it went off.
Come on, nothing to see here.
Call your gym guy, Lesty, baby, because we got merchandise. All right, people. We need to split up. They're gonna be looking for a crew.
I'll wire your cuts when the rocks have been sold.
That shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Hey, you did good, kid. What'd I tell you, Lester, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin. Listen, Lester and I got some things we gotta clean up. I want you to stop by the house a little later on. We'll celebrate, all right?
All right.
Okay. Huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, man. We're back in action.
I don't care if you got money now. Don't you get it? That ain't what I was looking for. Not then, not now, not ever.
I know it ain't important. Just let me take you somewhere nice, all right?
Where are you? Are you in a strip club? Grow up, stop looking for the easy way.
Tanisha, I gotta go, all right? I'ma change, I promise. You won't even recognize me.
Yeah? You like this, baby? Yeah. I flunked out of high school. Isn't that sexy?
Damn, you thick, girl.
I could do this all night. You remind me of my daddy. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you're getting hard.
That ass is banging.
If we go in the back, I can show you better. Jerk.
Oh, hey, there you are.
What's cracking?
So, we all good?
Hell yeah, we all good. We did it.
Yeah, you fucking ain't right, we did. So, here's the shot. Lester's offloading the gems. He knows a guy. Get us 50 cents on the dollar. Hell, we might actually have a little spending money left after we pay off that psychotic Mexican motherfucker. Whew. Cheers.
So that's that, right?
I hope so.
The whole job. Everything about it. Anyone who knows your file, what is wrong with you?
Davey! Long time no see.
And what about Trevor? If that fruitcake realizes, finds out you're alive, you are D-O-N-E fucked!
Don't worry about Trevor. Trevor's dead. It's gotta be. Besides, I didn't have nothing to do with it. Whatever the hell it is you're talking about.
Really?
The criminals are believed to have escaped with millions of dollars worth of gems, precious stones, and engagement rings. Albert's story had a lucky escape when the thieves ran straight into it.
Yeah, I was just doing my job, and I say to this guy, hey, you gotta move these bikes.
I don't know anything about that.
And this other guy runs out of the shop, pushes me over and says something like, you forget thousands of things every day. You make sure this is one of them. That was pretty scary.
Back to you in the studio.
You want to get lit now, sugar? Trevor, baby, you wanna smoke up now?
Don't do it, Johnny. Don't do it.
Trevor! You been with my girl again? I'm speaking with you, asshole!
Don't do it, Johnny. I told him, Trevor. I told him.
We all get high! We all get high! But that don't make it right!
Johnny! Leave it!
The crystal has got us, babe, but it don't make it right. Don't make nothing right. Not what you done with me.
I'm telling Johnny, leave it.
I ain't leaving nothing. Trevor! I'm talking to you, motherfucker!
Are you? What are you saying?
Fucking my girl, man. It's wrong.
Well, I gotta fuck someone. You want me to fuck you instead? Is that the problem here? Take off your pants, cowboy, all right? Let's fuck.
You think this is funny?
Get them off!
I told him to leave it, Trevor. I told him. Leave it. Leave it.
Shut up, Ron. I'm about to fuck me a meth head, ain't I, cowboy? Get my boy sucked from his toothless gums, huh?
Fuck you, Trevor.
Oh.
I still love her.
All right, cowboy. Hey, I know. Hey, come on.
I don't mean nothing by it, man.
I know.
I'm messed up.
I know, cowboy. It's okay, man. Give me a hug, yeah. Fucking shit! Cut! Who the fuck are you speaking to? Who? I'm talking to you, huh? You fuck!
Johnny!
Huh? Next time, don't get in my fucking face! I just saw a fucking ghost and I gotta hear your crap! Get up! Get up! Fuck you then!
Johnny!
Wait.
Fuck! Now, we gotta speak to Johnny's recently bereaved brothers. Wait! This ghost I saw. His name is Michael Townley. Sounds like he's living in Los Santos. Find him.
Really? My cousin's there, but I don't...
Find him, Wade!
Does this mean I don't have to come see the bikers?
We're in a hurry, but not that much of a hurry.
But if we bury Johnny in the desert and then quiet down that bitch Ashley he was in, then they don't need to find out about it.
You think it's clever to disrespect women?
Disrespect? What? I wasn't disrespecting. I was just saying we should kill her.
You called her a bitch! Ain't you got a mother?
Everyone's got mothers, at least one.
bikers are meant to be over by the farm on the right.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, you seen Ashley? Johnny's looking for her.
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if you messing with her again.
Oh, really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask him then, huh? Hey, cowboy, you mind that I fucked your old lady? Sorry, what was that? Well, no, you don't mind? Oh, because you're a dead man? And the only sentient part you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot? Well, thank you very much, cowboy.
Bullshit!
Oh, I like it, denial. That is first part of the grieving process, brothers. Now let's all hold hands, huh? Oh, looks like you got something you want to say, huh? You got something you need to say?
This better be bullshit.
Oh, where you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies. All right, we follow the van back to the rest of them. Then the lost MC are out of this region for good.
There been a change of plan?
We'll go faster if you jump overboard, friend.
Did you see the look on their faces?
We scared them, didn't we?
Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are.
You need some seatbelts back here, or straps or something.
I only keep things in the back I don't mind losing.
Oh.
They're way out in front.
Shut up, Ron.
Sharp left. Slow it down. I can't see us taking out all the bikers' disco, boss. I mean, there'll be some by that airstrip, some over, by that...
If not today, their time will soon be upon them.
Can you give me some warning next time?
If we go off the side on the left there, we should make it across. The van won't get there if we shoot it too much.
Do we know where they're going yet?
I got a feeling, yeah, but we gotta make sure.
Once you know, you can drop me and Wade at the trailer. Maybe bring Chef to finish that.
We do this now, Ron, all of us. Alrighty, Root. Now we just sit on this guy till he gets to them. Right on top of him. I got a taste for biker blood. We're right on these bricks. Where are your boys at?
Oh, look! They're pulling up! You did it, Trevor! They're stopping!
Sit back and watch the show, you useless pricks.
Want some of me?
Die! Yeah, that punk killed Johnny before the Christmas did.
Step right up! Step right up!
Brother, get back! We got him from the back!
Right at me, cocksnot! Now, who have I left out? You don't want to know me when I'm irritated! You forget how to use your horn? Have some respect for pedestrians! That's What happens to reckless drivers? I warned Johnny, and I'll warn you the same! Pussy lip! You gotta get back! I'm wiping out my whole customer base! Going to work. Step right up! Step right up!
Get that creepy asshole!
I'm in a bad mood now! Are you happy? Without my express permission. Step right up! Step right up! And suddenly, everything makes sense! Fall back, brother! Fall back! You ain't gonna be on that hog much longer! Come out and avenge your fallen comrade! LOSG!
Get back!
Asshole! Wiping out my whole customer base.
You're going nowhere!
Oh man, you're kidding me! That's not the fun!
Fuck! Fall back! Shit! Pull back!
Boss, move back!
Back! Get back! Fall back now!
Damn it! Move back!
Better stay back!
Ortega lives near here. Let's go see him.
It's one thing messing with tweaked out bikers, but the Aztecas? Man!
The Aztecas. It's just a name. Is he Illuminati as well? Anunnaki? Huh? One of the lizard people?
I got this Chinese contact you can meet at the inn. He'll buy all the meth we can cook.
Our enterprise ain't just about meth. It's about guns, too. The Aztecas control the guns, so we're taking them out.
You're fucking nuts!
Come on!
This is so crazy, Trevor!
I hope you're enjoying the ride! Hold on, you!
What the fuck, Trevor?
This is the fuck, my soggy friend. You are out of business. The Lost MC are out of business. The guns and crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips' enterprise, or they ain't going.
Saying something don't make it true. The shot callers ain't gonna be happy. Get it over with.
Oh, that feels better!
You sure mean business, D. We can go now, right? This is an unprecedented turn of events.
I always said I was gonna take over.
People say all kinds of stuff when they're 3 days into a smoking party.
You calling me a bullshitter, friend?
Clearly not. No way. You're a man of your word, as evidenced by said events.
If I say something is going to happen, it's going to. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but as soon as the moment is opportune.
Understood. Yes, sir.
If I say I'm fucking dead, then fucking dead I am. I'm not gonna raise my balding head on a beach in 10 years' time saying, all is well.
Is this about the ghost?
Michael fucking Townley, yes it is.
Oh, you told me about him. Your old running buddy. And who was the other one?
Brad was the other one. Locked up in a federal penitentiary. When he finds out Michael survived that job.
Yeah. What do you think happened?
If I knew what happened, I wouldn't be bemoaning these last 10 years I've spent in ignorance.
Some say ignorance is bliss.
For a man with an interest, some may say obsession, with the secret truth kept hidden behind historical events, that's a really weird thing to say.
I was trying to console you.
I don't need consolation. I need answers from that fat chump. Get out of the car, Ron. Any time to think. Run! Speak.
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that on the phone? What the fuck is wrong with you, damn it, Ron? Now I'm gonna have to discipline you, and you know how I feel about that.